Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete your account on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead to the official Craigslist.org website right here and log into your account. So if you do not know how to log into your account, you want to go ahead and click on this account button right here in the upper right corner, and this will take you to this next page where you can enter in your account info such as your password and your email. And after logging in guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Craigslist website. So guys, now we can get started with deleting our account. If for some reason guys you want to delete your account, then this is how to do it. So the first thing we want to do guys is go ahead and open up a new tab in our browser right here, and after opening up tab or Google or whatever you are using, just go ahead and click and type in Craigslist contact. Type in Craigslist contact. And after doing this guys, this will now open up this new results page where you can see one of the results is called contact form on Craigslist.org. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click on that, click on Craigslist guys, contact, and now this will open up this new page where we can select what we need the contact for. So what we want to do guys is scroll down until we find this option right here that says download or delete my data. So guys, click on download or delete my data. And here you have two options guys called download my data and delete my data. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and click on delete my data. And after this you want to go ahead, as you can see, it will open up a new link that says to submit a request to delete your personal data. Click here, click on that guys, and it will open up this new page that you can see where it's going to go ahead and enable you to enter in your email, and now you can go ahead and click on send a message. So guys, after you click on send message, it will send you an email, as you can see right here, where you can go ahead and open up your email and you can check it, so you can go ahead and submit that form that you have for deleting your data. And after that guys, after submitting that, Craigslist will be able to delete your account. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.